Hey guys, so in this video I'm just gonna be showing y'all my my house tour. I do live on base. So when you walk through the door, this is the first thing that you see. So this is the door. And then when you walk in, looks like this. And then to your left there is a bathroom. So this is our downstairs bathroom. I don't know why I'm not talking, but this is just our bathroom. Just a bathroom. And then this is what we have in the hall just to hang our stuff when we come in. And then when we walk further down the hallway, these are the stairs going upstairs, but I'll take you up there later. And then when you keep walking further, it's just a closet. It's a mess right now. Just a closet. And then you walk in, and then it's our living room. And then I'm just gonna show you my living room, just some pictures, the dog bed, our couches. And I have decorated for fall, so I like to open all the windows and just have the screens on because there's no AC in the houses, so this is a good way to get air in. And then I'll show you the backyard. Okay, so this is what the backyard looks like. And of course, our screen door broke off. I'm only living here for like a week and it broke. So that's the gate if you want to go like out to the other houses. But yeah, this is a pretty decent sized backyard, and then we have no neighbors in the back of us. So this is what the kitchen looks like. I mean, it's a pretty nice kitchen and fridge. It's a gas stove, and then it comes with a microwave. And then it also has a dishwasher. And then from the kitchen, you can see the dining room. And this is just the wall that we have stuff on. Here's the dining room, a better view. We have where Honey eats her food, and where me and my husband eat. This is just the wall. It is pretty empty in here. We're planning to put a coffee bar like right here. So the house is not finished. This is what it looks like from the dining room into the kitchen. And then again you have the doors, the two sliding doors to go outside. Okay, so going back into the kitchen, there is this door, and you open it, and this is the laundry room. It's kind of a mess right now. It's a decent sized laundry room, and then it has this sliding door, and this is the pantry. So a small pantry, but it'll do. So the door just slides, and then this is what it looks like from the laundry room into the kitchen. And then in this door, this is just a one-car garage. And those are all our boxes because we literally just moved in. Okay, and then going back to the stairs. So this is what the stairs look like. Now we're going up the stairs. And so is she. And then when you go up, it just has a window up here and a light. So just go up the stairs more. And this is what it looks from the top floor looking down on the stairs. And then when you walk up, let me get it further down. And when you walk up, this is what the hallway looks like. It is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So when you first walk up, there's this big like sliding door, like closet, I guess. So you just slide it, and then it's sliding doors. We just have like a lot of boxes that we still have to go through in here. And then you have like this little tiny little pantry. And I just put our extra blankets and our candles and room sprays in here and soap. Excuse me. And then when you go into, so then after that, we turn back this way and it is the restroom. This is the restroom. It's a pretty standard size restroom. Looks like that. The shower is really small. So I'm out from the restroom, which is here. It's the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. Okay, so now into the guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. It's a pretty decent size. And then again, there's a closet. And then just my makeup's in here and the guest bed and guest dresser that we still have to sand down and stain. But this room is going to be my makeup room and guest room. So it's a pretty good, decent sized room. Okay, so now for the master bedroom, it's really messy right now because we don't have any dressers to put anything in or a bed frame. So I'm just trying to get everything organized as best as I can till our stuff comes in the mail. So this is the master bedroom. I would say it's about the same size as the guest bedroom, but the closet is much bigger. And then we have a king size bed. And then again, we do have a window in here, and this is what it looks like. It's just facing towards the back. No neighbors. So that concludes this video of my house tour. If you guys enjoy, hopefully in the future I will show y'all the actual finished house. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.